Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's episode shows the draft to completion process of this outfit. Please stay tuned. Some calculations first to get the flare. The waist here is 39 inches. Add 60 inches for the pleats. This gives approximately 100 inches. Divide 100 inches by the mathematical formula 6.25. This gives 16 inches. The top length is 26 inches minus the half length of 17 inches, and this will give us 9 inches. Add 1 inch seam allowance to 9 inches to get 10 inches. Peplum 1 is the longer flare. Add the 16 inches radius to the 10 inches length. This gives 26 inches. For the shorter flare, divide the waist circumference by 2. Here we have that to be 19.5 inches. Add 40 inches to this for the pleats, which gives approximately 60 inches. Divide 60 by 6.25 and we have 9.6 for the radius. Divide the longer peplum length of 9 inches by 2 plus 1 inch seam allowance and we will have 5.5 inches. Add the radius of 9.6 inches and we will have approximately 15 inches. This square shaped fabric is 26 by 26 inches and it is on fold. Place 2 folded fabrics together. This is for the longer flare. For the shorter flare, place a fabric on fold 15 inches by 15 inches. Cut out the square shaped fabric and you'll be needing 2. Mark the 9.6 inches radius and the 5.5 inches length on different positions. Proceed to cut out. Open flat the fabric, curve the center as shown. For the longer flare, mark the radius length of 16 inches, the length of 10 inches. Then cut out the fabric. Open flat the fabric, curve the center also. On a pattern paper, mark the half length of 17 inches. Connect the line. Separate the front and back block with a middle line. On the shoulder line, mark half the shoulder measurements. Mark the front neckline, neck width 3 and neck depth 3. For the back, neck width 3 and neck depth 1. Slope the shoulder by 1 inch for the front and 0.5 inch for the back. Mark the bust pan of 4 inches width on the hem. Alter the neck width to 4 inches. Come in from the shoulder tip by 1 inch. Come down from the neck depth by 1 inch. Mark the middle between the shoulder tip to the hem. Draw a straight line from the shoulder tip to the middle and from there a slanted line to the hem. Come in by 0.5 inch from the center back, then connect to the neck depth. Mark 4 inches from the center back line, alter the neck width to 4 inches and come in by 1 inch from the shoulder tip. Redraw the neckline. Connect with a straight line the shoulder tip to the hem. Reduce the half length by 1.5 inches for the front and back block. This is for the band. The band length is the waist plus an additional 60 inches for the rope. This gives approximately 100 inches. Proceed to cut out the pattern. Transfer the pattern to fabric, adding 0.5 inch round the area. Cut out the back pattern. In a similar way, cut out the front bodies. Here we have the band pieces. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.